Today let's learn some basics on how to do stock research. So to do this, let's go to Yahoo or finance.yahoo.com and you'll end up with a website like this. Now you can search any company that is publicly traded, but because of where we live and because this is often a good example to use, I'm going to pull up Walmart. Now I put in Walmart and they're showing me different ticker symbols. So here, WMT is the ticker symbol and it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Now here's the Swiss, where you can buy it in Switzerland, Mexico. So these are different markets. These are the ticker symbols that you would use for that. So I'm going to Walmart we know, I hit search, and here it is. So quickly, here's a summary. You can actually watch it move because the market's very active. It's really down right now. So there's been a lot of buying and selling, so you may see the screen moving. See, you just saw it change. Maybe add it to your watch list. I have on my phone. So here's what it closed at yesterday, here's what it opened at today, and then you'll see buying and selling going on. Okay, here's a chart that shows the activity. So, gee, wouldn't it be fun to buy down here and have it up here now? Conversations. So this is comments that people made. Some of them are pretty off the wall. I can say that I know some about the foundation, not a lot, but this is totally off base. So statistics. So here's more in-depth stuff, but if you're just beginning, I would go ahead and go to Profile. So if you're considering a company, go to Profile and read about it. It tells the key executives. It tells where it's located. It tells the market sector, so it's services. The industry is discount or variety stores. The number of employees, the geographic location, and then a good description here. So financials, a lot of stuff that's a little bit over my head. If you really get into this, you can look at it. Holders, this is kind of interesting. So it's showing who holds most of the shares of Walmart. And look, here's some names that are interesting to see as far as percentage of shares. Historical data, so you can see what it's traded at. Analyst, this is should you buy it, sell it, hold it. So right now the recommendation rating is 2.2, so it's close to a buy. Most of them are not saying to sell it. And then sustainability, it says this is new. So the overall score for environment, social, and governance is a 57th percentile or 60. Environment, the score 78 or 96th percentile, so you can see them down here. Social is 44th percentile, probably due to how much they pay their workers or how workers are treated. And then governance. So that's just another interesting statistic. So then it says people also watch. So let's quickly go and let's look up another one. Here's one my dad asked me about the other day. He wanted to know what Yum was. And I said, well, I happen to know that one. So Yum Brands. Here's a summary of how it's, well, I'm down in sustainability. Let's go over here to summary. But if you want to know about it, let's read the profile. So it's restaurants, 90,000 employees, based in Louisville, Kentucky. But my description says it develops, operates franchises for quick service food. It includes KFC division, the Pizza Hut division, and Taco Bell. So you can do the same searches here, but I encourage you to look up both, to look for stocks of companies in your state. So we discussed that Dillard's is in our state, so let's search Dillard's and see what comes up. So it's diverting to, DDT would be the company. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange. By the way, let me just mention that these are indices. So this has 500 stocks, the Standard & Poor's or S&P 500, and it's showing you what's happening. So today it's down from what it was yesterday. The Dow 30 would be the 30 most traded stocks. The NASDAQ, Russell 2000, and other indices that you can look up. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. Now you can sign in, create an account, follow things. You can compare them. You can look up 2 or 3 stocks and do compare, and they'll show you how they've performed over time. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.